Hi everyone, welcome to this short training video discussing how to launch Windows Update to get the latest Windows updates and patches installed on your computer. We have noticed certain computers throughout the network not receiving Windows updates, so this demonstration video will show you how to manually install Windows updates to get those on your computer. On this Windows 11 computer, go down to the Windows Start button, right click, then go to Settings and left click. From here, it says Windows 11, click the Windows Update link in the navigation and simply click the Check for Updates button. If there are any updates available for your computer, you'll be able to make the selection for complete installation or selected installation. On this computer, looks like we are up to date, so we are good. If you did notice that there were updates needing to be installed, you'd want to click the Install Updates button. Well, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.